How to reset Brother printer. 3 quick solutions. Method 1. How to reset your Brother printer. Step 1. Power on the printer and press the menu button on the control panel. Step 2. Go to Settings and choose All Settings. Step 3. Then click on Initial Setup and tap on Reset. Step 4. Now choose the type of reset you want to carry out and click Yes on the pop-up. Step 5. Now the printer will reset to its initial setting. Method 2. Brother printer reset to factory settings. Step 1. Switch off the printer and detach the power cable from the printer. Step 2. Ensure all the printer covers are correctly closed. If not, close all of them. Step 3. Power on the printer and reconnect the power cable to the printer. Step 4. Go to the control panel, long press the printer's Go button, and wait till the indicator light stops flashing. Step 5. Once the indicator light stops flashing, press the Go button 10 times. Step 6. Now, the printer will reset to the factory settings. Check if the issue persists. Method 3. Restore Brother printer to default settings. Step 1. Press the printer menu button and select Initial Setup. Step 2. Hit on the OK button and then hit on the Reset option. Step 3. Choose the reset type on the screen that you want to perform. Step 4. Now, the printer setting will restore to the default settings. For more such help and information, visit us at www.printertales.com or call us at 1-877-469-0297.